What's up, everyone? Hope everyone is doing amazing today. So today I wanted to speak about how to install your proxy. On a earlier video that I made, I think it was the last one that I made, I spoke about what is a proxy. When it comes down to Facebook ad, like I said, there's a lot of terms that you need to learn. There's a lot of things that you need to learn. But me and my brother, we are no scientists, we're no geniuses, and we're not going to explain those things with complicated terms. Like I said on my other video, I said that, when I saw a video about proxy, I didn't understand anything. For me, it was like Chinese. They were speaking English, but it was like Chinese for me. So what you need to understand is me and my brother, we're going to explain you what is a proxy, how to use it, how to install it with simple terms that you or anybody else could understand without having, a computer science degree. We're going to make it as simple as possible. For us, it took us a lot of time, but now that we use them every day and, it's just basically a daily thing for us, then we're going to tell you what is important and how to know what is it and how to install it with terms that anybody could understand. Obviously, I'm not going to speak about the proxy itself. So as you can see on here, this is the proxy. I'm not going to speak about this because I already made a video about what is a proxy and how to basically learn the different sections of the proxy. I already made a video. Go watch that video if you haven't watched it yet and come back to this video, because this video purpose is to learn how to set up the proxy. Now, it's not just to explain the proxy, but how to set it up. And to set it up, we use an incredible application that it's called multi-login. There's a lot of applications out there, but this application is an incredible app. And this app has a lot of features that others don't. And other video, I'm going to basically compare this one to other ones that are either for free, paid, or just any random ones, but I'm going to explain you what is the difference, because there's a lot of difference and a lot of features that this application has that the others don't. Obviously, this application is nothing close to cheap. It's a very, it's fairly set up at a good price. I think it's 100 euros per month, something like this, but it is worth it. It is 100% worth it. We use this application every day. We have multiple proxies, and the way that it is set up, the way that it gives you so many options, it pays for itself, basically. Because if you have a lot of profiles, if you're running Facebook at a high level, then you need something reliable. You need something that will not crash in your hands or that has a leak of data, because a lot of problems of those software similar like this one is they don't update their software soon. Well, not soon, but often. They don't update their software often, so they have leak of data, and now you're getting bad on Facebook and you don't know what is the reason, but the reason is that you're using a really bad software. But let's speak about those things on a later video when I'm going to compare this software with other ones. But now I'm going to specifically speak about how to install a proxy. This is the video of today. So the first video that I made was what is a proxy, like how to learn what it is and speak about it, about this line of code specifically. Now it's how to install it. So let's dive in. So the first thing, this is the dashboard. I've just created a brand new account just to show you guys what you need to do. This is after you created an account. So you put username and password, and that's it. And that's what this is where you are. So you will be on the profile section, and what you're going to do is you're going to do a new profile. So on this new profile, you have the profile name. So you're going to put the profile name. Obviously, if you're running Facebook ads, you're having probably different Facebook profiles that you're using, whatever if it's family, whatever if it's employees, whatever it's other people. Then you have, I'll just put the name of the profile. So let's put my name so I can know which proxy is my myself connected to. Oh, sorry. So Gilberto Morales. Okay, so now we have cloud or local. If you just started, then use local, because cloud is if you have employees so that they can, manage those proxies, those profile for you, and we use cloud, but use local, so it's only you that will be able to use it, and it's better if you use local, and after that you use cloud if you have employees. Now, operating system. Like I said on another video, you need to understand that a proxy itself will make you as someone else. You will see, like, Facebook, inside their system, they will see you as another computer, as another entity. And that's why it's so powerful, because, the thing with Facebook ad, it's not only about maybe getting banned, and you don't want your computer to get banned. I spoke about this on another like on the previous video. You'll be able, if you want to know more, just watch it. But I spoke about this more in detail. But one of the reasons that this is so powerful is, one, you can get banned on Facebook for simple reason or for no reason at all. Basically, the algorithm decide if you get banned or not for whatever behavior you have. And you cannot control every behavior when you're doing dropshipping. So if you're change your operating system, so if you have a different operating system, your computer will be a different computer in the eyes of Facebook. So if your computer gets flagged or banned or whatever, it's not your computer, but it's the proxy itself. And the proxy can be changed in a matter of seconds. So your systems that you're using are not going to be hurt at all, are not going to be flagged, and you'll be able to use them forever with something like this. Because they have, like I said, multiple options from Mac, from Windows, from Linux. So you can appear in front of Facebook as a different computer. Now, what you need to understand is that it's not only about that, but sadly, if you're running Facebook ads and you're living abroad, like me and my brother, we're living in Bali, then what happens is that Facebook will think that someone else inside another country is using your Facebook account. So you'll need to verify, change password, it will hurt your ads, and there's so many headaches overall. So you need a proxy. You need to install this because it will appear in front of Facebook in the same place. So you'll always be depending, the proxy has different location, can be Canada, United States, whatever, any country that you want. And by appearing as this country, you will always appear, okay, I'm living in Canada, 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 every time you connect yourself. But if now you're in Japan, and the other day you're in Bali, the other day you're in Afghanistan, the other day, doesn't matter where you are, but it will lead to unnecessary problems. So that's why you will choose, first of all, your preferred ecosystem. As it's preferred to choose something similar to what you have, but it doesn't matter at the end of the day. You can choose, okay, I have a Mac, but I want to appear as Windows in front of Facebook. You can, but I will appear as a Mac. Here is the browser. Mimic X, it's basically Chrome. It's options inside of Chrome's, and this is Firefox. So great. So now we have this. Now what we do is we want to go on location proxy. Okay, great. Now we want to go on custom. Well, actually real custom, because now it's like, okay, we don't have any proxy. No, actually we do have one. Real, it's like we want them to see the real actions. We don't want to mask or custom anything. We want to appear as a real entity doing real things. We're not doing anything legal here. So we just want to appear as real person, real entity, real things. So custom here, obviously there's different kind of proxies. We're using a residential HTTPS proxy. This is just some fancy words. The only thing that you need to understand is that HTTPS is just faster than anything else. SUX 5 is a little bit more stable in the long run, but I like more HTTPS. When it comes down to Facebook, I like speed. I like my proxy to be fast. So now HTTPS, great. We have this right here. Now we want the IP. So what is the IP? It's the first line of code right here that I spoke on the latest video. Perfect. Now we want the port. Again, this is the other code that we have right here. Perfect. Now we want the user and the password. We have the user right here. Copy. And we have the password right here. Great. And you want to check proxy. So as you want to say, so check proxy, download Intel, M series. Say, I will choose M series, as you can see right here. Agent, make it disable. Okay, and download Linux, connect. Connect agent to launch profiles. Okay. It's a desktop. Okay, create. No, what did I say? Connect agent. This is okay. No, great. Now it's properly done. Yeah, I downloaded that, but it wasn't needed. Okay, so now let's go on network. Now time zone, mask, you can select your own time zone. This again, no necessary. You put mask, geolocation, prompt. So basically, it will be connected with the IP address that you have. Geolocation mask, port scan. So I don't change any of those things, to be honest. Here, same thing. I don't change any of those things. And now what you're going to do is you're going to do create. So you're going to create, perfect. Great. So now, as you can see right here, I have my personal profile with my own IP, with my own computer, and I will appear inside the system as somebody else, as basically another computer. Now you're going to launch. Obviously, now we cannot launch it because that's what happened. We need to download one of those things right here so we can launch it. But no worries, you download that. And the beauty about multi-logins is they have a 24-hour support chat that will basically set you up with this. So do not worry. After that you install this, what is going to basically happen is nothing. You will have a window that will open like Google or like Firefox. Like I said, we selected Google, but you have a window that is like Google, and that's it. And that's what you need to do. So this is the informations that you need to know about multi-logins. It's very simple, very easy to understand, very easy to set up. If you have any question about multi-logins, if you don't know more about it, or me making more videos about this, just let me know and I'll be happy to make more videos. So yeah, guys, this is the video today. If you have any more question, just let me know down in the comments. Wish you an amazing rest of your day. Take care and oh, I forgot to tell you, you need to understand that those videos that we are creating, me and my brother, are actually live. We don't edit, we don't cut, and we just show what is it. That's it. So like I said, we're not here to make things beautiful. We're not here to make things like pum, like fun. We're here to make you learn. And we are going to show you exactly what those things are. And we're going to speak, we're going to stutter, we're going to everything. But at the end of the day, you still have the information and it's entirely what we do. It's not cut, it's not that. Like we are going to make raw content for you, and we will always do those things because I know that at the end of the day, sometimes when you cut, you make it more beautiful, but you have some information missing here and there, or it's just too good. Like I don't like that. When it comes down to maybe like videos like Logan Paul, I want to be entertained, Jake Paul too. But when it comes down to pure knowledge, to learning a skill, learning a business, I want raw stuff. I want people that looks like they're speaking and live and they're doing those things and they're not editing, because I want to see the real thing. But sadly, we're the only one doing that. So yeah, wish you all an amazing rest of the day. Take care. Keep me updated if you have any question on the comments down below. Take care and peace.